All right, what's going on, everybody? We are either going to have a Mythbusters video or a heck of a how-to video here. So we have solar panel heaters with leaks in. So this brand here is called a SunHeater. This is my mother-in-law's house. At my house, I have Xtremepower. They basically look like the same panel, could be the same company for all I know. I ended up throwing, if you watch my channel, my fence contractor poked holes in my solar panels and then ended up throwing them away, and it's several $100s I lost there. So I got a replacement for mine, and it came with the directions that says you could cut a notch out and screw it with screws on both sides, a number 10 screw or a number 12 screw if that doesn't work. So what I'm going to do here today is go ahead and give that a try, and man, if that works, man, this is going to be a heck of a video, save a lot of people a lot of money. So here we go. Alright, as you can see, I got the little rectangle piece cut out there. I do recommend buying a brand new utility blade, so it cuts right through it. So now we're going to go ahead and put a screw in there and on that side and see if it holds it. Alright, I got the two screws in, no leaks on that side, but it's still dripping on that side, and I didn't even turn it on yet, so I don't think we're going to be successful on this first try, but I'm going to go ahead and turn the water on, see what's going on there. Alright, unfortunately it is not working. So I'm going to have to try for a plan B here. Alright, what I'm going to try next is wrapping Teflon tape around the screw just to try to get a better seal into the solar panel. So let's go ahead and give that a try. Alright, we got the screws in. And no drips. Woo! Woo, baby! Save you a couple $100 right there. That's all you got to do. So this is the SunHeater, and I ended up using a number 12 screw for the SunHeater panel with Teflon tape around it, and it worked. So you got Xtremepower. Maybe you got to start with the 10 screw, and if that doesn't work, go up to the 12. But woo! Awesome, baby! Just awesome. Sweet.